video is going to be on something very new and very innovative called QUADCHROME eyeshadows. So if you don't know, hey, my name's Adrika. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you like anything that you see here, definitely stick around. I do make makeup videos, beauty videos, skincare videos, favorites videos, all of that like. So if you do like that type of content, please make sure to stick around. So you might be thinking to yourself, what the hell is a QUADCHROME eyeshadow? So if you've already played around with a ton of makeup before, you've probably heard of a DUOCHROME eyeshadow, and that is an eyeshadow that kind of shifts between two different colors in two different angles, basically. So in one angle, it can look blue, or in another angle, it can look brown. And that is a very common duochrome as well, is a blue-brown duochrome. So duochromes aren't exactly extremely unique. They are, you know, a little bit harder to find, but they're definitely still out there. Now a QUADCHROME, you can probably imagine duo means two and quad means four, shifts to 4 different colors in 4 different angles of light. So QUADCHROME shadows are very, very unique, very special, and I bought mine from an indie company. So indie companies are usually the ones who take the time and effort to really think of innovative and very new and unique products. And as soon as I saw these on Jen Loves Reviews What's Up in Makeup, I immediately purchased them. At the time they were for pre-order, but they came very quickly actually. They said it would take around 12 to 16 days for it to even ship, but I got mine within about like 2 to 3 weeks. So the cosmetics brand is called Beauty Bar Baby. Their website is beautybarbaby.com. So currently, as I'm filming this video, they only have 3 colors. So it comes in Hocus Pocus, Hypnotized, and Abracadabra. This is part of their Magic Wand collection, and they are coming out with more of these QUADCHROME shadows, which I'm extremely interested in after trying these. It does come in 2 mediums of product, in a loose pigment, or you can also get it in a pressed powder shadow. So the company claims that these cost 10 times the amount of regular pigments, and they're extremely pigmented and unique. So they suggest using a stiff brush to apply these, and they also recommend using a sticky eyeshadow primer underneath to get the full effect. So the loose pigment comes in a 0.5 gram jar. It does come with a sifter as well, or you can get a 26 millimeter pressed pan only with no compact. You can buy the compact separately, and the loose pigment retails for $8.25, while the pressed pan retails for $17.25. So you can see that these are actually quite pricey for what they are. But these are so just unique in everything that I can see the justification for the price. I can definitely see why these pigments will be so much money. They are very, 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 very beautiful. And they actually are QUADCHROME. The loose pigments do come with a sifter. They're nicely packaged. It is a plastic packaging. They're small, they're compact, so they're easy to store. So the shade Abracadabra shifts from a kind of green to a blue to a like burgundy to a purple, and it is stunning. I'll be inserting swatches here as well, and I'll be trying to get the perfect lighting to show you the 4 shifts. So Hocus Pocus is a QUADCHROME shadow again, which shifts from a pink to a gold to a green to like a purple. And now the last shadow, which is Hypnotized, looks very, very similar to Abracadabra, but they have completely different shifts. So Hypnotized shifts from a burgundy to like a purple to a pink to a blue, and you do have to wait a little bit longer for them to package everything and ship it to you. I do have all 3 of the shades on my eye right now. All the products talked about in this video and whatever else is on my face will be listed in the description box down below, so definitely check it out if you want the product links. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like and comment on this video if you would pick up these QUADCHROME shadows, And please don't forget to hit the bell notifications so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see how these quad chrome shadows apply and wear throughout the day, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already laid down a base of matte shadows. These are all Coastal Scents Hot Pots. I am filming like an entire eye look video for my Instagram, so this is where all of this is going. But I will be listing all the hot pots that I did use in the description box down below, so definitely check it out if you want to know the base of this look. So I went with a very blended out, cool tone, smoky type of look because these shades are quite deep, but of course they do still have that quad chrome effect to them. And I think they would really go well with a cool tone base. It'll make the colors pop a lot more. I also want to mention that with the hot pots, I did not set my eyeshadow base, so the bit that's still uncovered is still very sticky. So I will still be wetting my brush because it is a loose pigment, but we're gonna see how all that goes right now. So I have a plan for this look. I'm going to take Abracadabra and Hypnotized. I'm gonna put them on the top lid, and then I'm going to take Hocus Pocus and put it on the lower lash line. So I have a flat shader brush here. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I have never worked with a loose pigment before, so this is my first time. I'm guessing I kind of just pick it up, spray the brush, and then apply. I did swatch these already, and they are very powdery and thin, and it can be very messy really quickly. This is the shade Abracadabra, and I'm gonna start off with this. Hopefully it is not a complete mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up on my flat shader brush whatever is on the lid first. This is so finicky. Then I'm gonna take a setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. And then I'm just going to spritz it. And then I'm gonna apply this to the eyeball. That is insane. All right, so I grabbed a little bit more. The brush is still damp. Oh my God. Wow. I'm just gonna be applying this to kind of like the center of the lid, and I'm going to put the other shade in the front portion. I don't know if you guys can see the reflect or not, but I can't really see it that well under these lights. Obviously, I will show you guys under sunlight. I'll take you guys outside so we can check out the eyeshadow for real, for real. Ooh, you can actually kind of see it. Right there, it's like a purple and then it's a blue. All right, so picking it up, spritz it, and then we're gonna apply to this eyeball. Oh my God, that one, so much better. You can see the reflex so much better on this eyeball. I don't know if you can see on camera, but half of my eyeball right now is purple, and the other half is this like green blue. So now I'm gonna go in with Hypnotized on the same brush. I'm gonna pick up some of the product, then I'm gonna spritz the brush, and then let's oh, that was instantaneous. That is a completely different DUOCHROME, QUADCHROME, sorry. They're so reflective and glossy too. More so than like a shimmer, it like reflects a gloss. It's beautiful. On the other eye, it came off immediately as like a purple, and on this eye, it came off immediately as like a blue. All right, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back to do the lower lash line with the last quad chrome shade. Alrighty, so I'm having one of the worst foundation days ever. So this eyeshadow is the only redeeming quality of my makeup today. That's cool. So I'm gonna be taking Hocus Pocus using this e.l.f. smudge brush, which is just a tiny, dense, flat brush. Then I'm just gonna be picking up a bit of it on the tip of the brush. And then I'm going to spritz it. And then I'm going to apply that. So that came off as like this beautiful, like pinky purpley color. I don't know what color it's coming off in camera. Spritz the brush. Okay, so that is beautiful. That's stunning. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it is just like reflecting like pinky purple, beautiful like goodness right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go finish up the entirety of my face now. I'm gonna come back to show you the entire look, and then I'm gonna do a little wear test just to see how these perform throughout the day. Okay, so here is the finished eye look with the entire face. This looks absolutely beautiful. It's the only good part of my makeup today. The foundation I'm testing out is complete shit right now. So these look stunning. There's no fading and no transfer thus far. I will be doing a full 8-hour wear test to see how these wear, if they smudge off, if they like do some funky stuff. We don't know yet. I absolutely love how this entire eye look came out. The wing got a little crazy. I don't know why. I was testing out a new eyeliner and it just did too much, okay? But I will check back in a couple of hours to let you guys know how everything wore. Okay, so this is the QUADCHROME eyeshadows out in natural lighting. I don't know if you'll be able to tell any difference between daylight and not. Can you notice any difference at all? Those are the QUADCHROME eyeshadows. Okay, so this is about 10 hours of having the eyeshadows on. I fell asleep, okay? I took a little nap. So this really like put them to the test. And I put this eyeliner to the test. I'm also testing out a new eyeliner, but like, holy crap, that is still beautifully stunning. It's not creasing. It hasn't faded in any way, shape, or form. I want to talk about the fact that there was actually no fallout on my face despite this being a loose pigment. So all 3 loose pigments are very, very pigmented. You need very little product. The entire jar will last you probably quite a very long time. The sifter is very good in there as well. It only dispenses a little bit of product at a time. All in all, I love how this eye look came out. I even posted this on Instagram stories, and some of you guys were like, I hope you're doing a tutorial on that eye look, and I definitely am. The shift is absolutely insane. I'll probably insert like the Instagram clip of me doing it. It doesn't really show well under these lights, but the shift in person is beautiful. So yes, nothing about this eye look has budged, changed, faded, nothing like that. Although I don't usually actually have problems with shadows fading. These are definitely some of the most beautiful shadows I've ever put on my eye. The shadows are so one of a kind. Definitely can't find this at like a Sephora or an Ulta. So if you are looking to support an indie brand and you liked anything that you saw here, please definitely consider purchasing from them. These are really, really beautiful and definitely worth every penny. So I just want to zoom you guys in to see the full effect. You can kind of see the shift from blue to purple. But the lower lash line, I didn't put it like thick enough of a layer. So it's like slightly there. It's still there. It's definitely still there. The exact same amount that I put. But it's so beautiful still. You can see no creasing, no smudging, and I was sleeping too. Keep in mind that a girl was sleeping. I don't move a lot in my sleep though. So all of the products talked about in this video and whatever else is on my face will be listed in the description box down below. So definitely check it out if you want any of the product links. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked anything that you see here, my content, me, anything, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. Bye.